Hi there, I'm Jonathan with Investing.com and with over 10 years trading experience. And today we're going to go ahead and discuss charts. Now, what exactly are charts? Charts are a visual representation of an asset and how its price is changing over time. So what exactly is a chart? Well, like I said before, a chart is a visual representation of an asset's price and how exactly it's changing. More or less, it defines how buyers and sellers are interacting. If the buyers outnumber the sellers at a period of time, then we can probably see asset prices starting to rise. And the opposite scenario is also true. When we see the sellers start to outnumber the buyers, asset prices start to fall. Now, more so than just giving us an easy to analyze visual interpretation, charts are also beneficial because they tell us important horizontal levels. They often give us the levels that an asset's price is having difficulty rising above and the levels that an asset's price is having difficulties falling below. Ultimately, we can use these important levels to give us clues about where to structure our entry point and where to structure our exit for a trade. Charts are useful for another reason. Although I would go ahead and caution that past price performance isn't always indicative of future price behavior, it does give us a good historical context to go ahead and make decisions and to evaluate potential scenarios and outcomes. Ultimately, charts and changing asset prices over time form the basis of technical analysis. I would caution that technical analysis is much more of an art than a science because every single trader sees something different in the graphical depictions. Most importantly, what can we go ahead and grab from the graphical depictions? Trends. How asset prices are trending and changing over time. So when we look at the charts and we see prices that are making new highs and also higher lows, that tells us that over time an asset's price is trending upwards. And the converse is also true. When we see an asset making lower lows and also lower highs simultaneously, it tells us that asset prices are trending lower over time. Now there's a third type of trend as well, and this is when asset prices are moving horizontally over time. And this is what we call range-bound trading or sideways trend. And finally, the only other form is an asset price which isn't trending, which means it may be going up, down, all around, every single which way, but not forming a definitive trend in one direction or another over time. Charts tell us a lot of useful information, and hopefully we hope to channel this knowledge into a beneficial trading strategy and style. To get started exploring all the useful characteristics and also features of charts, open an account with FXTM today to start exploring all the different indicators and chart types that can help support the best possible trading experience.